Hey everyone, in this video we're looking at how to delete blank rows on Google Sheets. I'm showing you this on the web version, and I'll walk you through the most common methods in order. The first method is using the filter feature, and this is the one I'd recommend for most users. Start by selecting your entire dataset. Make sure you include all the cells, even the blank ones. Click on the Data tab at the top, then click Create a Filter. You'll see small funnel icons appear in your header cells. Click on the filter icon in any column, choose Filter by Condition, select Is Empty, and click OK. This shows only the blank rows. Now click on the first visible blank row number on the left, hold Shift, and click the last blank row number to select them all. Right-click any selected row, and pick Delete Selected Rows from the menu. Finally, click the filter icon in the toolbar again to turn off the filter. Your blank rows are gone, and your data order stays intact. If that doesn't work for you, or you don't need to preserve your original row order, the next method is sorting. Select your entire dataset, click the Data tab, and click Sort Range by column A, Z to A. This pushes all your blank rows to the bottom in one block. Click the first blank row number, hold Shift, and click the last blank row number. Right-click any selected row and choose Delete Rows. It'll show your specific row numbers. The blank rows disappear instantly. Just keep in mind this changes your data order. Still got just a handful of blank rows? Manual deletion is quickest for small cleanups. Scroll through and find the empty rows. Click the first row number you want to delete. Hold Command on Mac or Control on Windows and click the other row numbers you want gone. Right-click any selected row and choose Delete Selected Rows. They're removed immediately. Another option is using add-ons like Power Tools or Remove Blank Rows. Click Extensions at the top, then Add-ons, then Get Add-ons. Search for Remove Blank Rows in the Marketplace, install it, and grant permissions. After that, go to Extensions, find your add-on, and select Remove Empty Rows. Click Clear, and all blank rows are deleted in seconds. Just note that some free versions have daily limits. The last method is for advanced users who code. Click Extensions, then App Script. Paste a script that identifies and deletes empty rows. Save it, and run it by clicking the play button. You'll need to authorize it when prompted. This is powerful for automation, but requires coding knowledge. For most people, the filter method is your best bet. It's safe, keeps your data in order, and works for any size dataset. If blank rows stick around, they might have space characters or hidden formatting in them. And there we go, blank rows deleted. Thanks for watching. See you next time.